Which animal has the longest migration route? Arctic tern. What unique ability do platypuses have? Electroreception. Which animal has the highest blood pressure? Giraffe. What is unique about a flamingo's feeding behavior? They eat upside down. Which animal has the largest eyes relative to its body size? Tarsier. What is special about a hagfish's defense mechanism? It produces slime. Which animal has the ability to regenerate its brain? Planarian flatworm. What unique feature do narwhals possess? Spiral tusk. Which animal has the longest gestation period? Frilled shark. What is unusual about the Greenland shark's lifespan? It can live for 500 years.